Hi guys, welcome back to another one. I just wanted to come on and tell you guys how I reverse weed. Now, the purpose of reverse weeding is to prevent your small pieces from coming up when you take off your larger pieces. So, for instance, well, actually, I'll show you this example. The bigger piece was the piece that's removed, that it was silver, but now it's white because this is the under piece of the vinyl, right? This is a result of terrible weeding. However, this is a result of terrible cutting. And I just posted a video as to how I cut out small vinyl projects. And so go ahead and click up here somewhere, and that'll show you how I was managed to cut this out. However, because I weeded it the normal way, it took up all my details that it actually was supposed to be there. So this is how it's supposed to look with all those dots and all that. But this is how it came out because of terrible weeding. So I'm gonna show you with this here how to reverse weed. First, you're going to take this transfer tape and apply it on top of your project. And make sure all your pieces are down. You see this here? Make sure all your small pieces are down, regardless if they're supposed to be there or not. I just push them all down, and you can weed them out when it's applied to your transfer tape. Okay, so first off, you take off the backing, and I am using the Duck brand peel and stick, and then you apply it. Make sure there's no bubbles. Press it down. And you're peeling the back off, as opposed to what you would normally do, which is peel off the front. All right. And so now it's completely off of the carrier sheet. And there you go, right? So now you're going to weed it backwards. From here, and let me just explain this for the newbies. Now, the reason it is reverse is because you are taking the carrier sheet, which is this. You're taking the carrier sheet off the vinyl first, as opposed to taking the vinyl off of the carrier sheet. So, you know, it ends up being backwards. The words are backwards right now, right? This is the correct way and this is the wrong way. So I just wanted to completely explain why it's even called reverse weeding, and that is why. And you see how easy this is? Simply just pulling. And now it's complete. And you see how it kept everything. The dots, these are so small, and everything is there. I didn't have to fight with it or anything. So basically, I'll be adding this to the back of these cups. Initially, it was supposed to be under here, but the words were entirely too small, as you can see. And so yeah, Thanks for watching, you guys. Check me out in the previous videos. Follow me on Instagram, and yeah, bye guys. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at TheBree Creates. Bye guys.